At ABB, cultural diversity and inclusion is not just a statement, it is a value which is imbibed deep into the organization. In my opinion, cultural diversity and inclusion is about creating an environment where every team member feels free to express themselves and that their voice matters. It gives me immense pride to work for an organization where my own personal values are aligned with the company's culture. At ABB, I feel empowered and well recognized for my talent and for my contributions. People I work with value my opinion because of the experiences, different perspectives, and ideas that I can bring on table. With its zero tolerance policies, ABB provides a safe and protected work environment for everyone. Diversity exists in different forms, but when I walk through those doors in my company, I don't think of myself as different. In ABB, I can be me, and that is really important.
A tall building needs a solid and a broad foundation to endure. In ABB, our people are that foundation that helps our business to grow and weather the challenges that we encounter. So it stands to reason that the more breadth we have in the profile of our people, the better able are we to grow and persevere as a company. Let's embrace all cultures, religions, races, genders, and beliefs so that we can be stronger and taller as a company.
Cultural diversity is important to me because it helps me to respect and understand my colleagues' background better and appreciate our diverse, unique qualities as a people. At ABB, we communicate better with each other, we learn from each other, and most importantly, we love one another.
I think that cultural diversity is one of the most important things that the company should focus on, as it adds a lot of value for the organization. For example, I am a Romanian and I'm working in Chile, and I think that my different background has helped the company on a local level. I am also working with colleagues from all over the world, and it surely helped me to gain different perspectives and to be a better professional. So thank you, ABB, for that.
ABB is a global company with diverse nationalities. This is an awareness that allows you to know that you're not discriminated because of your age, your sexual orientation, your ethnicity, your religion, your nationality. It allows individuals of cross nationalities to be driven, creative, and innovative, knowing that ABB embraces their uniqueness. It allows you to form a community, knowing that every person that you meet globally has a positive trajectory towards your career development.
A global and multicultural team is an academy of brilliant ideas and quick solutions. Effortless communication and understanding sensibilities across countries keeps our supply chain ship-shape. Having had the chance to meet and stay with colleagues from over 10 different countries has helped us build productive symbiosis at work and share episodes of memorable assortments of thoughts, lifestyle, and food. Striving towards a culturally inclusive society is to learn and unlearn, to follow and lead, to grow and let grow. True to ABB spirits, let's ride the future together. Ciao, namaste.